Thank you so much for being here. We want to welcome you to Espronceda, Institute of Art and Culture, and to Barcelona. It's a pleasure to have you here.
Last time we talked a lot about AI and how it could be incorporated into your art practice. And so this time we're going to put a little bit of that into practice.
I'm part of a group that is called Be Another Lab. And then we work about this subject about how to approach empathy in terms about like how would the world would be like if you can really put yourself in someone else's shoes.
So they asked me to develop a virtual reality residence in which you can join with your microphone and with your VR headset, head-mounted display, and you can interact with other people. It was kind of interesting, 3 months of development. I learned a lot.
Injected one, and this one is not injected. Let's see the one that is not injected. Okay, let's open with a player.
Maybe he would, the dancer would feel something that really he saw.
So I'll just be like kind of helping you as you go through the process of creating your projects. I'm going to go ahead and share some best practices. But like this reads very well in VR because you can understand.
I think this workshop is a very great beginning for people who wants to explore a little bit of the VR world. It's a very creative and welcoming community here.
And I wanted to challenge myself more and to put myself out of my comfort zone, to experience new things and to get inspired from my own work as an artist.
I've never really used VR classes, the headset before, so I did learn new softwares, new communication skills, working with different artists.
The community at Espronceda was really very warm and inviting. I mean, the space is amazing and such a great opportunity.
Espronceda is a beautiful community of artistic people who were very welcoming, and they were trying to help us in all the ways we needed them to.